The Xiaomi's sub-brand Poco has launched its new affordable M-series phone in India called Poco M7 Pro, with 5G support. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Poco M7 Pro 5G features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 2100 nits of peak brightness support. The screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, and it has Dolby Vision technology for better viewing experience. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7025 Ultra chipset, paired with IMG BXM8 256 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of onboard storage. As per the optics, the Poco M7 Pro 5G sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony's LYT600 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 20-megapixel camera under the hole punch cutout at the top center. The device comes backed by a massive 5110 mAh battery, with 45 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14 with HyperOS skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, IR blaster, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.4 by 75.7 by 8mm, and it weighs around 190 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Poco M7 Pro 5G has been priced in India for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 14,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 16,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from December 20th. In lavender frost, lunar dust and olive twilight color options. So, what do you guys think of this Poco M7 Pro 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.